Alright guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Ideapad 520. So without further ado, let's open this thing and see what is in there and what it comes with. Alright, this is the charging cable. This is a little book, instruction manual book it comes with, and this is the laptop itself. So I guess that's about it inside the box. So let's see here. So this is the laptop itself, and these are the features on it. On this end here, let's see what we got in there. You got your power, your integrated camera, which is actually built in it, and you got the built-in microphone, which is over here, and you got your touchpad, which is by the keyboard, and the fingerprint reader. This laptop, I believe, doesn't comes with that. It didn't have a fingerprint reader. And you have the power indicator styles, which you will find on the monitor, and a HDMI port, the USB port, 2 of them, and a combo audio jack, memory card slot, which is over here, and a Kingston Mini security slot, which is on this other end. And this is the reset button right here with the optical drive. So this is the cover on the laptop itself, and it's built with audio by Harman's, the speakers. Basically that's about it, nothing really much or less. It's just a simple laptop, silver, metallic build. That's it. Yeah, that's about it. And this is the back end of the laptop. These are the speakers, and this is the vent for the fan. Basically that's about it. So thanks for stopping by. Like, comment,